Hello kids, how are you? Today we have to talk about the fractions. Are you ready? Let's start. What is a fraction? Fraction represent equal parts of a whole. Example, if we have one whole pizza, I cut it to two equal parts. Then one pizza is divided into two equal parts, so each part is one half. Now, one pizza is divided into four equal parts, so each part is 1/4 or 1/4. What is a unitive fraction? We are gonna look at unitive fractions in this video. We will see what a fraction is and what it means to say a half, a third, or a quarter, and so on. Fractions help us to see what share of a whole amount we are talking about. For example, if we did a test and we got 1/5, that means we got one correct answer from the 5 questions. This is a unitive fraction and it is just a fraction with a 1 on top. The number on the top is called numerator, and the number in the bottom it is called denominator. And if you find those words hard to remember, numerators got a U in it, and that's like up, and denominators got D in it, that's like down. So let's have a look at a few more examples where we are gonna cut up shapes and create unit fractions from those shapes. So let's start off with a square. First we have to cut this square into two equal parts, and I will color one of them. Now the question is, can you give me the fraction represent the colored parts? Excellent, 1/2. 1 is the number of the shaded parts, and 2 is the number of the total parts. And we read it 1/2. Another example. Can you cut this circle into 4 equal parts? Yes, and I color one of them. Now can you give me the fraction represent the colored parts? Excellent, 1/4, and we read it 1/4. Another example, we have here 9 hearts and we color one of them. Can you give me the fraction represent the colored parts? 1/9, and we read it 1/9. Now, it's important to remember that we divide the shape up into equal parts. So, for example, if we take this triangle shape, we can cut it into 4 equal parts. Let's try. Oh, we have here 4 equal parts? No, then I can write a fraction here? Of course not. Then I will give you another triangle. Can you cut this triangle into 2 equal parts? Yes. And can you give me now the fraction represent the colored parts? Yes, of course. The fraction is 1/2, and we read it 1/2. Excellent. Write any fractions. Let's take the first example, 3/5. Pay attention, please. The word fifths and with THS. When we see THS, this means we have over, okay? The number up is the first word, which is 3. I will put it up. This is the numerator. And the number down is 5. I will write 5 down. Then 3/5 means 3/5. I will continue. The second one, we have THS. I will replace it by over. We have the number up is 2 and the number down is 9. Excellent. Another example, 1/10. This means 1 over 10. Excellent. 6/18. Excellent. 6 over 18. That's it. Now I will help you to solve your homework, exercise number 2, 3, and 4, page 118. In exercise number 2, we have the fraction, the numerator, and the denominator. The numerator is the number up, which is the 7 here. Then we have to write 7. And the denominator is the number down, which is the 8. Then we have to put 8. Complete it, please. In exercise number 3, we have in the fraction 7 over 10. 7 is the numerator or the denominator. In the fraction 5 over 7. 7 is the numerator or denominator. In exercise number 4, you have to write in numbers. Example, 2/3. 2/3, it's the same as 2 over 3. That's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.